Hey there, it's Mary from stampingmary.stampinup.net. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today's video features the lovely arrangements bundle from Stampin' Up. It's this fabulous photopolymer stamp set with great fabulous sentiments and the dies, which are adorable. This is just an embossing die. This one cuts out a great background, fabulous shapes for your sentiments, foliage. It's a really good die set and stamp set, and it's an online exclusive, so I've put the link to the my Stampin' Up website, so you can click on that link and have a good look at the products there. This is the card we're going to make today. I've made one in Strawberry Slush and Darling Duckling. I'm not sure about the Darling Duckling one, but I mean, you know, it's a cheerful. And I've embossed that beautiful flower in white, the white embossing powder. Really easy card to make, and uses a couple of products that are actually on the last chance list. They are retiring. So we're going to make this one in Pretty in Pink. Here it is here. So I've already gone ahead and I've embossed the matte piece in Pretty in Pink, and this is using the Eyelet 3D embossing folder. This one is actually also on the retiring list. It's marked down at the moment, so get it. It's available while stocks last, and the Pretty in Pink paper also will be on the last chance list because it is retiring. I've gone ahead and die cut in vellum. Oopsie, come off. Die cut in vellum the background piece, that one there. And I've already gone ahead and done my embossing and stamping embossing of the flower, but I'm just going to quickly show you how I did that. I've also stamped the sentiment in Secret Sea actually. Now the die, this is a great size die. You can either stamp and then die cut, which is what I normally do, but this one, because it's so narrow, I actually found it easier to die cut and then stamp. But it's one of those things that's whatever your preference is for die cutting. So let's go ahead and stamp this one in Versamark, and using our white embossing powder. I'm just going to ink that up. Heat embossing is one of my most favourite things to do, and it's just got that wow factor, you know. Once someone has heat embossed something, it's just such a cool thing. So just putting a little bit of the powder on there. Oops, didn't get quite enough on there. And then with your little die brush, just going to knock away any little loose powders. This is the I put a link to this set as well, the embossing set. The name has escaped me. Just going to use the heat embossing tool. It's hard to see, I know, when it's changing colour because it's on white. Don't know that the video really picks up once that has changed from clear to the white, but as you can tell, it didn't take that long. So yeah, heat embossing is a great thing to do. Easy, and it's really effective. So like I said, I've already gone ahead and die cut my pieces. They are right here. So just fold your card base. So like I said, it's a pretty in pink card base. I'm just looking for where I've put my, just my bone folder right there. And I have put some little dimensionals on the back of my vellum, simply because I found it was easier to adhere the vellum so it's popped up slightly, and then the flowers can then go flat on top of the vellum. Otherwise it just made the card a little bit too, give it a little bit too much height. So you won't see those dimensionals once we've put our flowers on. I'm going slightly more to the top of the card. I'm just going to, with my bone folder, I'm just going to curl the edges around here just a little bit. Not the middle one, just the ends, just these ones. That one there, and then pop them on. We're going to put the middle one in first. I'm just going to adhere it with some liquid glue. I'm not going to curl the edges of that one. That's going to be a bit flat. And then this one can go here, just to overlap that one slightly. And then the same over here, just with that one. You don't have to curl the edges of your flower if that's not your thing. You can leave them flat. I think they look good either way. But yeah, I just wanted to do something a little bit different with them. I got this idea from, I watched one of the Stamping Through the Catalogue girls do a video not long ago on Instagram, and they had cased another fabulous demonstrator, and one of them had done something similar. Obviously it was a lot better than my one, but it looked really cute, and I thought, oh, I'd like to try that. I do like a monochromatic look whenever I can. This is the black and white and gold Baker's Twine. It's also on the last chance list, so if you manage to get some, if you can get some, I have put a link in the description bar below. If you like it, don't delay, because I actually don't think it'll hang around for that long. This is a very popular item. Where are my mini dimensionals? I just want to put a little mini dimensional there. You know what? We'll use a glue dot instead. Just to adhere this ribbon. Yeah. Just coming slightly under there. We'll use two. Let's go crazy and use two of them. That one up a little bit. I'm just going to do a pretend bow, which is just folding it in like that, and then popping it straight onto that glue, just to adhere it down. Actually, just that has frayed a little bit. The edge. Try that again. So all I'm doing is folding it in, folding it back over, and that's my little pretend bow. I've already gone ahead and stamped the sentiment. I just need two tiny little dimensionals. Here they are. just to pop one at either end here. And it doesn't look like it'll fit, but it actually does. So what I found, you could use the foam adhesive strips for this too. In fact, that would have been ideal. I find I have to fold them in slightly at the edges so you don't see them poking out. And that goes across there like that. Straighten that up. And then these are the Pretty in Pink and Strawberry Slush gems. They are also on the retiring list, so I've linked them in the description bar also. I'll be sad to see Pretty in Pink go. Strawberry Slush is not retiring, but Pretty in Pink is, sadly. Just to give it a little bit of bling. And for the inside, let's do a little bit of stamping on the inside. Pretty in Pink, because I love it. Just do a little bit on the edge. Down there. Another one there. You can leave the inside of your card blank, whatever you choose. And I do like to decorate the inside of the cards. Gives it that little bit of wow factor, doesn't it? And then dimensionals on the back of card, pop it up a little bit more. What do you think of using the same colour monochromatic? Quite like it. And if you've got lots of a particular colour cardstock, it's a great way to use up some of that cardstock too. So like I said, I've put links in the description bar below for the products I've used, and some of these are on the last chance list, so some of them are going to be reduced in price. So if you like them, then don't delay, because once they're gone, especially these in colours. And that is all there is to it. 3 pretty cards using the Lovely Arrangements bundle from Stampin' Up. I hope you enjoyed those videos. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me, stampingmary@gmail.com. Thank you so much and have a great day.